Hi there, my name is Boris, you in my channel as usual, and today I'm really excited because I was in garage and I uh, had repair with my motorcycle, and I got some working moments with motorcycle, and it started a little bit because I not screw one bolt and it bolt go out, and I have to screw this bolt, but I got sound my engine a little bit for a few seconds and it was excited because I wait this and I was not sure about this uh, will be my engine working or not, and tomorrow I have to screw my bolt with the right power, and tomorrow I will start it, my engine, check this, and I have to see what's going on with my coolant system and going mm, ahead. But I'm excited. And today we had second day of big event, as I told before, and finally tomorrow's morning it will be good with the traffic, with the roads, and oh yes, it's great because today it was full of pain. It was a really angry day for a lot of people because it was terrible. It was terrible. All our left side of the city was choked, was in stay on traffic jam. It was not traffic jam. It was really a long time staying in one position without moving, and it was terrible and angry. Luckily, I wasn't there today, and I'm doing my repairman with motorcycle, and I working from home, and it was great decision today. And so it's all my news for today, and I'm going to see and to hear news from my wife because my wife was outside on the city. She was in the trip to Barawa and back, 1 day and 1 night with her friends, and I will going to hear her stories about her travel. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Hey.